Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to navigate the challenge library. You can select which mission you'd like to add your challenges to in the top right corner. There are two ways you can search for challenges in the challenge library. You can use the search bar to search for keywords included in any challenge, or you can use our challenge type filter. The second way is using our tags. To narrow down what kinds of challenges you are looking for, you can use the tags section. Tag groups are used to categorize groupings of challenges within the challenge library. Inside each tag group are many subcategories. I'll be selecting the Next Generation Science Standards and going into Grade 1. Once you've used the tags to narrow down your search, you can pick a challenge and click and drag it to position it within your mission's map boundary. Once you have picked either one or more challenges and added them to your mission, you can import and publish them now, or import them as a draft and publish later. And that is how you navigate the challenge library. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.